You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from Spanish. In Spanish pronunciation, it means good luck. How do you say good luck in Spanish? Buena suerte. Buena suerte. Buena suerte. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, English pronunciation, buena suerte. Buena suerte from Spanish, buena suerte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.